So we're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, I went ahead and get you some new venting in, so adjustable 90 piece of pipe, adjustable 90 down to the draft diverter. Up top, we give you a brand new shutoff valve, so watts, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connectors, down to a brass T where we have a separate shutoff valve for the refrigerator. It's got an ice maker on it, and so the old one was just a needle valve tapped into the galvanized line, so we give you a shut-off valve to shut the refrigerator off, just quarter turn off. Quarter turn on, brand new braided stainless steel hose. We only had a 20-footer on our truck, but we didn't want to put the old one back on, have it burst. It's going to flow real good now, so that's good. Relief valves in, Falcon stainless steel connectors tying it back in. Hot side, we have a brass extension and a Watts circulation pump. Right now it's set. It's off right now. Let's put it on timer. Right now it's set to come on at 6 a.m. and then shut off at 6 p.m. You can adjust that in 15-minute increments all the way around. You can see right here, off as if the tab is pushed in, which you can see these are around here. And then you can see right here on, so if you just push them out, so whatever the time is. And we've already set the clock for you. To set the clock, you just take the whole dial and spin it until you get to it. So right now it's approximately 10, 20, 30, about 10:40, 20:40, 10:45, something like that. So it's not exact. They're 20-minute increments right here, the little notches, so pretty close. Anyway, so that'll come on. We can feel the pump running right now, so that's good. Falcon stainless steel connector up to your assembly here. I'm not sure where that goes. I think it goes over to the sink in the garage. And we did replace this nipple because it was damaged. So brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to the pump. Pump plugged in over here. And the only reason we ran that cord over here is we don't want to run it that way and get it close to the spent exhaust gases coming out here where the draft diverter is. So we ran it that way. I mean, you can feel free to plug it in over there. Just make sure you keep it away from heat and you should be fine. Anyways, you can see that's that braided supply line we put in for you. And so that's everything up top. Upper third, we've got you adjustable straps. Lower third, we've got you the adjustable straps. Here's your make and model number right here, or model number and serial number. If you want to go to BradfordWhite.com, get this registered. It'll have a 1-year labor, 6-year parts on this, get your warranty going. Brand new gas valve, brand new gas connector. So burner is lit. You should have hot water in about an hour or two. It's heating right now. But everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.